Customize QuickBooks Online Invoices for branding, clarity, and professionalism. Add logos, colors, fields, and messages. Use custom form styles. Changes apply to new invoices. Takes 5 to 10 minutes. Steps: access templates, gear top right, custom form styles, new style, invoice, edit sections, content, add or remove fields, PO number, due date, terms. Edit header like company name, address, table columns, quantity, rate, tax, footer notes. Payments, appearance, upload logo PNG, less than 1 megabyte, choose font. Colors primary for headers. Emails, customize subject, body, attach PDF, advanced, payments, enable online payments card. ACH, taxes, show VAT, multilingual, add multiple languages via messages. Preview and save, click preview PDF, test on desktop and mobile. Done. Set as default.